Hey beautiful people, do you want to move to the UK for free? Then this is the video for you. You can literally move to the UK for free. Everything sponsored, visa sponsorship, flight ticket, accommodation, monthly stipend, everything paid for. So you're literally moving to the UK for free. So if you want to get all this information, then please do watch to the end. Here there is no age limit. Anyone can apply. You don't need a job offer, which is amazing because getting a job is like the toughest thing right now. So no job offer needed here, and yet it is full visa sponsorship to the UK. Is truly amazing. So please do watch to the end so you can get all the information. If you're just meeting, you're welcome to the channel. My name is Jackie, and here I share information to open your minds to opportunities available to you abroad. So please do subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you can see when I post a new video. And if you would like me to personally assist you to move abroad, please do send me an email. And please follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, and we also have a Telegram channel. You guys should join the Telegram channel. I'm going to drop the link in the description box below. So please do try to join that channel or send me an email and I'll share the link to the channel with you, because there is so much information I share on other platforms that don't make it to YouTube. So you should connect with me on other social media channels. Before we get into it, a very quick information. Do you want to make $1,000 every month? I have the perfect side hustle for you. Everybody can do this. You can do it from anywhere in the world. You don't need to quit your job. It is an online business and one where you get to earn passive income every month forever. It is passive income because you're putting in the work just once and you're getting paid every month. This side hustle is becoming a publisher online, and you don't need to be a writer to do this because you're actually not writing any book. You're not editing any book. All you need to do is to buy these already formatted and edited manuscripts of public domain books that are best-selling books globally. Buy your manuscripts from stackly.com and publish them on e-commerce platforms like Amazon KDP, Apple Books, Google Play Books, Lulu, and Barnes and Noble. So you're putting in the work just once. You're buying your manuscripts just once, publishing them just once, and then you sit back and earn every month for the rest of your life. There are currently 4 manuscript packs you can buy. There's a pack of 30 manuscripts, 60 manuscripts, 150, and 300 manuscripts. So feel free to buy any of these manuscripts that you can afford. I personally published the 300 pack of manuscripts, so I highly recommend that one. So if you want to go all in, then please go for the pack of 300, but feel free to purchase any one you like. You'll still get to earn passive income every month. And Stackly has been gracious enough to put together a free training for those that want to publish on Amazon KDP. And if you want to join an exclusive group of KDP publishers from around the world, please do send me an email after you have purchased your manuscripts and I will add you to the group. Again, it is www.stackly.com. All the links are in the description box below. All right, you're welcome back. So like I said, this is a fully funded opportunity in the UK. It is a scholarship, one of the most prestigious scholarships in the UK that is fully funded. It is a Commonwealth scholarship, and this is for international students that want to pursue a master's degree or a PhD in the UK universities. Yeah, so this is a very good opportunity for you to move to the UK and study at a prestigious UK university, all fully funded. So let me just take you through and quickly show you the information that you need. Let us start with the countries that are eligible, so you just know if this is for you or not from the beginning. All right, let's look at the countries. So this page is for the master scholarship. We're going to look at the PhD after this. So eligible countries, let me make this bigger. We have here, it's a lot actually. I'm not going to read everything, but let's just see how far we can go. Yeah. So Bangladesh, Belize, Botswana, Cameroon, Dominica, Eswatini, Fiji, Gabon, the Gambia, Ghana, Grenada, Guyana, India, Jamaica, Kenya, Kiribati, Lesotho, Malawi, Malaysia, Maldives, Mauritius, Montserrat, Mozambique, Namibia, Nauru, Nigeria, Pakistan, Papua New Guinea, Rwanda, St. Helena, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Samoa, Sierra Leone, Solomon Islands, South Africa, Sri Lanka, Tanzania, Togo, Tonga, Tuvalu, Uganda, Vanuatu, Zambia. Look at it. I mentioned everything. So we went through the whole list. So these are the countries eligible for this scholarship. Yeah, let us see an overview so you even know what the scholarship is about. This is a Commonwealth scholarship. The agency nominated master's program is one of the 3 master's programs offered by the Commonwealth Scholarship Commission. The intended beneficiaries are candidates from eligible low and middle income Commonwealth countries to undertake full-time taught master's study at a UK university. So if you see all here, there is so much information here: how to apply, supporting documents, advice for applicants, choosing a university and a course, the eligibility of the applicant. We've looked at this. Then how to complete the form, selection criteria, tenure and placements, financial assistance. Let's look at that. Let's see what you're getting on this scholarship. So each scholarship provides approved airfare from the scholar's home country to the UK and return at the end of the award. Tuition fees is going to be covered as well. And then you're getting a stipend, a living allowance at the rate of 1,452 per month or 1,781 pounds per month for those at universities in London. London has a higher cost of living. Not only that, you're going to be getting warm clothing allowance as well. And then study travel grants towards the cost of study-related travel within the UK or overseas. And then if you have children, or you're widowed, or you're divorced, or you're a single parent, your children get allowance as well. This is amazing. Many times I've seen comments, people asking me, I'm a single mother, can I apply? You say not only can you apply, but you're even getting more support than people that don't have kids. Yeah, or people that are married and have kids, So you can actually come to the UK with your children and be able to cater for them. So you get £622 for children allowance per month. This is every month. And then for the second child, you're getting 154. Yeah. So this is really, really amazing. So that is what you're getting on this scholarship. So what else should we look at? Eligibility. Yeah. Where is it? Applicant eligibility. So be a citizen of one of the countries, check. Be permanently resident in one of the countries. Be available to study September 2026, and then have your first degree. Be unable to afford studying in the UK. And then provide all your supporting documents. So ideally, you're supposed to apply for a course in the UK, like apply to a university, apply to a course. They have information about that. The courses, you can see this choosing a university. Yeah. So when you apply for the course and all of that, then you're good. So let us quickly, I just want us to run fast. Let us quickly look at that for PhD. So this is the one for PhD. So let's see if the countries are the same. Bangladesh, Cameroon, the Gambia. Yeah, some countries are not here. Kenya, Kiribati, Lesotho, Malawi, Mozambique, Nigeria, Pakistan, Rwanda, Sierra Leone, Solomon Islands, Sri Lanka, Tanzania, Togo, Tuvalu, Uganda, and Zambia. So this is a shorter list. So if we're going for a PhD, it's a shorter list. Let's see the financial assistance here. So you're getting your airfare tickets, check. Tuition fees covered, stipend, the same thing, warm clothes, same thing, study grants, same thing. And then you also get something else, provision towards the cost of field work, overtaking on the overseas. Then you also have paid midterm visits to your home country. So they're going to be giving you flight tickets to go home to visit your country in the middle of this program. So the PhD is for 3 years, master's is for 1 year, PhD is for 3 years. So what you're getting on this scholarship is for 3 years. So in the middle of your 3 years program, you can go home for free. All right, that's amazing. Then family allowance. So for this one, if you're coming with your spouse is getting an allowance. Yeah. If you come with your spouse but no children, your spouse gets £313 per month. And then if you come with your spouse and children, your children get £313 per month as well. And then if you are widowed, divorced, or a single parent, your money doubles. What you get actually doubles. Yeah. All right, so that's it. So there is a page here that is advice for applicants. So we can look at this. You can come here and read it. Let's just try to read that one on your own, okay? I think my work here is just to let you know that this opportunity exists, so you can just come see all the other information yourself. Then you also need to, there's also frequently asked questions here as well, so you can see all of that. So basically, this is the Commonwealth Scholarship, yeah? And it's currently open. They're receiving applications right now. And applications is going to close on the 14th of October. So that is a Commonwealth Scholarship. The link is going to be on your screen, so you can just go ahead and apply for this. Okay, let me know what you think about this in the comments. Will you be applying? Please do. It's a very good opportunity to further your education, fully funded and at a prestigious university in the UK. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can be seeing more videos from me. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie, and let us see you in the next video. Hey everyone, I bring you good news. Moving to Ireland just got easy. The Republic of Ireland is now a top destination for experts looking to work abroad. So if you want to go work abroad, I highly recommend Ireland for many reasons. It is an English-speaking country, which removes the language barrier that makes it very easy for you to integrate into a new country. Ireland also has very favorable visa options for you. Settling in Ireland is the fastest and easiest right now. Ireland is actively receiving foreign workers. As a highly skilled worker, you can get your permanent residency in Ireland in 2 years and citizenship in 5 years. You can move with your family immediately. I have put together an ebook that contains all the visa information you need about Ireland, how to move to Ireland as a highly skilled worker, as a skilled trades worker, and as a healthcare worker. Not only that, I have put together all the employers in Ireland that are currently hiring foreign workers. Getting this ebook is like me having a one-on-one consultation with you, giving you a step-by-step guide, holding your hand through the process from start to finish to land a job in Ireland and moving down to the country to begin your new life. It is easy to read and you can access it on your mobile phone, on a tablet and your laptop. I also have CV templates and cover letter templates, samples of CVs and cover letters that you can edit to apply to these jobs. This ebook also has so many bonus resources. I put together this ebook so that anyone that buys this ebook can move to Ireland within the next 3 months. To get this ebook, please use the link in the description box below or send me an email and I'll be more than happy to share the link with you. Grab your own copy of the Work in Ireland ebook and I hope to see you in Ireland within the next 3 months.